Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate the support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about two market movers of the day, NVIDIA and Caterpillar. NVIDIA was down 14.42% and Caterpillar was down 8.85%. First one, NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. Past week performance was down 12.08%. Past month, up 1.23%. Past 3 months, down 26.53%. Past year, down 43.54%. And past 5 years, up 780.85%. Caterpillar performance past week down 7.36%, past month down 1.46%, past 3 months up 9.43%, past year down 24.66%, and past 5 years up 35.94%. So let's go to Seeking Alpha. And if we look at NVIDIA, they had some updates regarding their guidance. So NVIDIA dropped 15% on Q4 guidance cut. So it cut its Q4 guidance on weaker sales and on its gaming and data center platforms. Revenue is expected within 2.2 billion, which is down from what it was before, 2.7 billion. That's a $0.5 billion difference. And the company blames deteriorating macro conditions, particularly in China, for customers delaying orders. And the CEO, Jensen Huang, says Q4 was an extraordinary, unusually turbulent and disappointing quarter. Looking forward, we are confident in our strategies and growth drivers. And NVIDIA will go more in depth into the quarter on February 14th to further discuss. And as I mentioned, NVIDIA shares were down for the day. Next is Caterpillar, which reported earnings today. So let's look at this. So it had a big earnings missed. So adjusted profit per share rose 18% year over year to $2.55 in Q4, but still missed estimates by 43 cents. So even though it grew, it missed the estimates. And then sales by segment, construction industries, 8%. Resource industries up 21%. Energy and transportation up 11%. Machinery, energy, and transportation up 12%. And then outlook for 2019, profit per share is expected to increase to a range of $11.75 to $12.75, compared with analysts' average estimate of $12.73, indicating a slide of global demand. So overall, both of these companies, Caterpillar and NVIDIA, Caterpillar down because of earnings miss, and NVIDIA down because of future guidance. So let's go to TipRanks to take a look at what analysts say. And in terms of analyst ratings, it's a moderate buy based on 31 analyst ratings, 22 buy, and 9 would hold. In terms of price target, on the lower end, $135 per share, and in terms of on the higher end of the estimate is $283. So what are my thoughts on NVIDIA? I think it's a good long-term play, but in the short term, it's still going to be a very volatile stock. But the reason why I think NVIDIA is a good long-term play is because there's so many growth drivers in the different product categories with its GPU chips, specifically in the gaming sector or gaming industry, autonomous driving, data center, and as AI artificial intelligence continues to increase in demand, I also think NVIDIA being the large player will contribute to this industry and continue to add value. Let's look at Caterpillar. Based on 8 analyst ratings, it's a strong buy with 7 of them buying and 1 would hold. In terms of price target, on the low end is $156 per share, and on the high end, $173. So would I buy this stock? I personally don't have it in my holdings, but it's on my watch list. I think it's if you wanted exposure to industrial stock, this is a good pick, but I personally don't have it in my holdings. So that's all for this video. Which stocks are you looking at, and which earnings reports are you following this week? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.